What's good? Your boy is out here. Yeah, man. Long Beach, Washington. Come through. You know what I'm saying? Real nice out here. One of those destinations, you know, a lot of people, I don't really hear them talk about. You hear about ocean shores. You hear about like Seaside, Cannon Beach, Lincoln City. You know what I mean? Long Beach though. It's pretty cool. You know what I mean? Actually, it's really cool. Y'all see some clips of the beach and everything, but take a look. See where your boy at. You know what I mean? Oceanside. Real nice, real nice. Gotta get out and about, man. Especially out here in the Pacific Northwest. You only get so much summertime. So, yeah. Mama, you having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We out here, man. Yeah, for those of y'all just chilling in the house, y'all need to get out. Get active. Come feel it with your boy. You know what I mean? Out here, we do get a little cell phone reception, but I don't really be on the phone too much except for right now. I'm recording on it because left the thing, the GoPro at the shizzle, but take advantage. Get out and about. You know, out here, besides bring you guys along for the ride, we just out here having a ball. You know what I mean? Enjoying life, living life. I mean, you can see clear skies, everything like that. This is what it's about. This is what it is about. You know what I mean? It's just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. It's lovely out here. You know what I mean? Baby, feeling good, feeling fine. Working on my little tan and everything. Bam, you know what I'm saying? Get my chocolate tie on. So yeah, it's your boy. You know what I mean? Brought the old WJ. You know what I mean? Doing the dang thing. Speaking of that, don't come out here in no two-wheel drive on the beach in this soft stuff. So many people don't know, but you don't know until you know, but I'd rather y'all not have to find out when y'all out here on this sand, you know what I'm talking about? But, perfect.
Yeah, that's good. They're deep in there. See what the Jeep's got.
he's got to stay close to the hard stuff. Two-wheel drive.
No.
It's all right. Don't worry about it. You keep it. Gas is not cheap.
God bless you.
Of course.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
All right. Drive safe.
Thank you.
So this is where you ought to be. Long Beach, Washington. If you ain't never been out here, come check it out. We come out here every August, so we've been out here a few times, but it's a good little destination. Definitely recommend trying it out. A lot of people out here, you know what I mean, with their families. Kites is everywhere, picnicking. You can have fires on the beach at night. You can bring your grills out, all that. Yeah, it goes down. You know what I'm saying? All along the beach, just rows and rows and rows of vehicles. It's real nice. It's beautiful. You know what I mean? Definitely check the weather because it do get chilly out here. But tap in. You know what I mean? Long Beach, Washington. Check it out. Shoot, I think it's about an hour max away from Seaside. You know what I mean? Just hop over into Astoria. Go over this bridge. The bridge is crazy, y'all. I have to show y'all some pictures of that. What's up, little mama?
Hi.
Hi. But yeah, we out here taking advantage of these weekends, you know what I mean? Or if you got a little PTO or something for work, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. We're just how we doing it. And yeah, enjoy this summer. Enjoy this weather. You know, out here in the Pacific Northwest, we don't get a lot of that summertime, so we out here just trying to live it up. But yeah, check us out. You know what I mean? A couple of videos, some drone shots, some Jeep shots, some family shots. I didn't really take a picture of us taking shots, but you know what it do. But yeah, so we about to go ahead and wrap this trip up. It's been a good few days out here, and dang, I wish this was my backyard, but it ain't. But it's right around the corner. A couple little hours in the Jeep, you know what I mean? Yeah, you out here, so check it out. Definitely get out and about this summer. Hit you some beaches, hit you some lakes, hit you some oceans, you know what I mean? Get out there, get in them waves. We was up out there, shoot, nipple deep. You know, your boy was in there. But yeah, thanks for you know, tapping in with us, and until next time, be easy.